Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about data types. So basically data types is the what type of data we have. If we have a integer, a string or floating data, these are the types of data that we use in Python. So mostly there is some data types, there is int, that is integer, and string, float, that is a decimal data type or decimal numbers, and boolean. Basically boolean is just a data type of a true or false. It means there is only two values, there is a true or false. And there is others, list and dictionary, set, etc. But in this video we will learn about integer, string, float and boolean. When we create variables, we give it a data type in other programming languages, but in Python there is no need to give it a data type. Python automatically recognizes its data type. Just we create a variable by giving it a name and its value. So let me create a variable age equal to 20, and I will print the value of age. So as we can see, 20 is an integer number, that is integer data type, but we can also check the what type of age has data. So I will type there is a function that is a type, and in braces we write any variable and it tells us what type of data is stored in that variable. So I will write type and age. We can also use this function in print function. So this will tell us what type of data is stored in age variable. So it's telling int, integer, because 20 is an integer variable. Let's check the data type of salary variable, and I run this. So salary has the floating data type, that is a decimal number. Because it has a decimal number, so it becomes a floating number. A number that has no floating number or no decimal number, that is only that is an integer, but that number has decimal points or decimal numbers, that is called a floating number or floating data type. Integer, and this is a float. And if I create a variable name and give a Alex value and print the type of that name variable, I will write type function and give it a variable name. So let's run this, and it's telling str. Str is a string, so name has the data type of string, str. So any value that is in between single quotes or double quotes, it is a string. If I write single quotes, it is also a string value, string data type. And if I write any number in the double quotes or single quotes, these are still a string, not a number. and if I remove these double quotes, then it will be a number, so that is integer. So every value, every number or character that is stored, that is between double quotes or single quotes, that is a string, that's called a string. So that is a way to understand that every value or character that is between single quotes or double quotes is a string. And there is another data type, that is a boolean. Boolean has only two values, there is 1 0 or true or false. So if I write is logged in equal to true, and I will check the data type of is logged in variable. So is logged in is a variable. So it's showing a bool. Bool is the boolean value. So boolean has only two values, that is true or false, and if I give it a false, then that is still a boolean. But if I give it a number, that will becomes a integer. So boolean has only two values, that is true or false. We use these boolean value to check conditions that we learn in upcoming videos. And we have another data type, that is a range. Range basically is a function, and it's also a data type. So let's create a variable numbers and range. So in a range I give a number 10, and I will print numbers. So it's showing a range that is starting from 0, and its end value is 10. So its value is 0 to 10. So basically it is a function. And let's check the data type of the range. So it's showing range. So range is the most important function that we can use in our programs, and we will learn about range function in next videos. So that's all for today.